Welcome to this 10-minute guided meditation for anxiety relief. Find a comfortable space and let's begin. Sit comfortably on a chair or cushion. Close your eyes gently. Let your hands rest in your lap. Take a moment to settle in. Notice the weight of your body. Feel the support beneath you. This is your time for peace. Imagine a place in nature, a place that brings you joy. Maybe it's a beach with warm sand, or a forest with tall whispering trees. Feel the gentle breeze on your skin. Hear the soothing sounds around you, the waves crashing, the leaves rustling. Let yourself be fully present in this moment. Now take a deep breath. Inhale the fresh, clean air and exhale all your worries. Picture yourself walking along the shore, the sand soft beneath your feet, the water cool as it laps at your toes. Or perhaps you are wandering through a dense forest, the scent of pine and earth filling your senses. Each step you take brings you deeper into this sanctuary, away from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Notice the details around you, the way the sunlight filters through the leaves, casting dappled shadows on the ground, the vibrant colors of the wildflowers swaying gently in the breeze, the distant call of a bird, the rustle of small creatures in the underbrush. Every sound, every sight, every scent is a reminder of the beauty and tranquility that nature offers. As you continue to explore, you might come across a serene lake, its surface like glass, reflecting the sky and the mountains that surround it. Or perhaps you find a hidden waterfall, its waters cascading down rocks, creating a soothing symphony. Sit by the water's edge, feel the cool mist on your face, and let the sound of the falling water wash over you. In this place, time seems to stand still. The worries and stresses of the outside world fade away, replaced by a profound sense of peace and contentment. You are connected to the earth, to the sky, to the water. You are part of something greater, something timeless. As the sun begins to set, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink, find a comfortable spot to sit and watch the day turn into night. The stars begin to twinkle, one by one, until the sky is a canvas of shimmering lights. Feel the cool evening air, listen to the gentle sounds of the night, and let yourself be enveloped by the serenity of this moment. Remember, this place of peace and tranquility is always within you. Whenever you need to escape, to find solace, you can return here in your mind. Take a deep breath, close your eyes, and step into serenity. Bring your attention to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm as you inhale and exhale. Breathe in slowly and deeply, filling your lungs with air. Hold your breath for a moment, then exhale slowly and gently, releasing any tension. Continue breathing deeply, finding a slow and steady rhythm. As you breathe, repeat these words to yourself. I am calm, I am safe, I am at peace. Feel the truth of these words washing over you. With each breath, you are inviting more calmness into your body and mind. It's okay to feel anxious. It's a natural human emotion. Notice any worries or fears you may have. Observe them without judgment. Imagine those worries gently floating away, like clouds passing by in the sky. You are safe and you are loved. Section 6. Releasing what holds you back. Bring your awareness to any tension in your body, your shoulders, your jaw, your hands. Breathe into those areas, sending relaxation with each exhale. Imagine any stress or anxiety leaving your body, flowing out of you with each breath. You are releasing what no longer serves you. Take a moment to close your eyes and visualize a place where you feel completely at peace. It could be a serene forest, a quiet beach, or even a cozy room in your home. Picture yourself there, surrounded by the sights, sounds, and smells that bring you comfort. As you breathe in, feel the calmness of this place filling your lungs. As you breathe out, let go of any tension or worry. Now focus on your shoulders. Notice if they are hunched or tight. With each inhale, imagine drawing in a warm, soothing light. Let this light travel to your shoulders, melting away any stiffness or discomfort. As you exhale, feel your shoulders becoming lighter, more relaxed. Repeat this process with your jaw. Often we hold a lot of tension here without even realizing it. Breathe in deeply, allowing that same warm light to flow to your jaw, releasing any tightness. With each exhale, feel your jaw unclenching, becoming soft and at ease. Next, bring your attention to your hands. Are they clenched or tense? Imagine the warm light now traveling to your hands, filling them with a gentle, relaxing energy. As you breathe out, let go of any tightness, feeling your hands becoming loose and relaxed. Continue to breathe deeply and steadily. With each breath, imagine any remaining stress or anxiety leaving your body. See it flowing out of you like a river, carrying away all that no longer serves you. Feel the weight lifting off your shoulders, your jaw, your hands, and your entire body. You are becoming lighter, more at peace. Remember, this practice is not just about physical relaxation. It's also about letting go of emotional and mental burdens. As you continue to breathe, think about any worries or negative thoughts that have been weighing you down. With each exhale, imagine these thoughts dissolving, disappearing into the air. You are freeing yourself from their hold. Take a few more deep breaths, savoring the feeling of relaxation and release. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes, bringing this sense of peace and calm with you into the rest of your day. You have the power to release what holds you back, to let go of what no longer serves you. Embrace this freedom and carry it with you always. Section 7. Anchoring in the present. Bring your attention back to your breath. Notice the rise and fall of your chest. Feel the gentle air flowing in and out of your nostrils. Focus on the present moment. This breath, this feeling of calmness. You are grounded and centered in the here and now. As you continue to breathe, allow your mind to settle. Let go of any thoughts that may be pulling you away from this moment. Imagine each breath as a wave, gently washing over you, cleansing your mind of distractions. With each exhale, release any tension or stress you may be holding on to. Feel your body becoming lighter, more relaxed. Visualize yourself in a serene forest, with soft sunlight filtering through the trees. Hear the gentle rustling of leaves and the distant sound of a tranquil river flowing. Picture the peaceful sunset over calm water, casting a warm, golden glow. Let these images fill your mind, enhancing your sense of peace and tranquility. Now bring your focus back to your breath. Notice how it feels as it enters your body, cool and refreshing. Follow it as it travels down into your lungs, filling you with life and energy. Then, as you exhale, feel the warmth of the air as it leaves your body, taking with it any remaining stress or tension. Allow yourself to be fully present in this moment. There is no need to worry about the past or the future. All that matters is the here and now, this breath, this moment of calmness and clarity. You are anchored in the present, grounded and centered. Take a few more deep breaths, savoring each one. Feel the connection between your mind and body, the harmony that comes from being fully present. Know that you can return to this state of calmness and clarity whenever you need to. Simply bring your attention back to your breath and let it guide you to a place of peace and tranquility. As you prepare to move on with your day, carry this sense of calmness with you. Let it be a reminder that you are capable of finding peace and grounding yourself no matter what challenges you may face. You are anchored in the present, and that is a powerful place to be. Section 8. Carrying Calm Within. As you continue breathing, know that you can access this calmness anytime you need it. Throughout your day, take a moment to pause and breathe. Remember the feeling of peace you cultivated here. You carry this peace within you, always. Section 9. A gentle return. When you are ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Take a deep breath and open your eyes. Notice how you feel. Carry this sense of calm with you as you move through your day. You are strong, capable, and at peace. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this useful.